Okay, we have a question here that we have to find the standard deviation of 30. So the first thing we need to do here is to find the mean. We need to find mean, which is x bar equal to 30. Okay, yes, 30. I won't arrange it in order. Plus 29 plus 25 plus 28 plus 32 plus 24 all over, remember, mean x bar is equals to summation x all over n. So we sum all of these and then we divide it by the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here will be what? Here will be 6. Alright, so we'll sum this one. So when we sum the one, we have x bar equals to, this will give us, when we sum it all, we have 178 divided by 6, which this one will give us 3, this one will give us 96. So 96, when you cancel this one will give us 32. So by implication, our mean x bar is equals to 32. So what will happen here is this: we will have a little bit of kind of using tabular form in order to solve this. So we'll arrange 30 minus 32, that is x minus x bar. These are tagged as x. So this will now have 32. This will give us the same thing as minus 2. Then we have 29 minus 32. This will also give us, when we subtract this, to give us minus 3. And then we have the next one, 25 minus 32. This will give us minus 7. Then we have 28 minus 32. This will give us the same as minus 4. The next one is 32 minus 32. Definitely this is 0. Finally, 24 minus 32. Then this will give us the same as minus 8. Yeah, we have this to be minus 8. So what will happen is this: since this is not mean deviation, it's standard deviation, then we will square each one of this. That is, this one here is the answer of x minus x bar. So we'll square x minus x bar. This one here, when you square this, it will give us 4. Square this, it will give us 9. Square this will give us 49. Square this to give us 16, square this to give us 0, and then this will give us 64. So what we'll do is that, remember, we square it. So what we'll do is to calculate the sum of, right? When you sum this, you have 142. So if we have this as 142, then we can find our standard deviation. So standard deviation is equals to square root of summation. In this case is from ungrouped data, so it will be x minus x bar in bracket square all over n, all over n. So by implication, this is the same thing as 142 divided by 6. Okay, so this one, when we divide, it will give us 23.6, and the square root of 23.6 is 4.85798, which when we approximate, we can have our standard deviation to be approximately 4.9. So this is how we solve problems like this if you are given this kind to solve a standard deviation. See you in the next class.